Hello everybody, my name is Timothy and I want to welcome you to Singapore Street History, where we discover Singapore's past one street at a time. Today, we are exploring Hill Street, one of Singapore's oldest and most historic roads. While it may seem like an ordinary city street today, Hill Street once led directly to the center of colonial power in Singapore. Let's travel back more than 200 years. When Sir Stamford Raffles established the British trading settlement in Singapore in 1819, the hill at the western end of this road became known as Government Hill. It was chosen as the site for the residence of the governor and other important government buildings because it overlooked the growing settlement and the Singapore River. The road leading to Government Hill naturally became known as Hill Street. Simple as the name may sound, it marked one of the most important routes in early Singapore, connecting the civic district to the seat of government. Today, Government Hill is better known as Fort Canning Hill, but its importance stretches back even further. Long before the arrival of the British, it is believed to have been the royal seat of ancient Temasek, making this area significant long before colonial times. As Singapore developed through the 19th century, Hill Street became home to many important institutions. Perhaps the most recognizable building today is the old Hill Street Police Station. Completed in 1934, it served as the headquarters of the Singapore Police Force and was considered one of the most modern police stations in Southeast Asia. Today, the building is famous for its 927 brightly colored windows and serve as offices for government agencies, making it one of Singapore's most photographed landmarks. Just a short distance away stands the Central Fire Station, completed in 1909. With its distinctive red and white brick facade, it is Singapore's oldest surviving fire station and remains an active fire station to this day. Next door is the Civil Defence Heritage Gallery, where visitors can learn about the history of firefighting and civil defence in Singapore. Hill Street also passes close to the historic Armenian Church, the oldest Christian church in Singapore. Completed in 1835, it reminds us of the small but influential Armenian community that contributed greatly to Singapore's early development. As you continue along Hill Street, you are never far from places that helped shape the nation. The Singapore River, the Civic District, and Fort Canning are all within walking distance, making this one of the most historically rich areas in the country. Like many streets in Singapore, Hill Street has changed dramatically over the years. Horse-drawn carriages gave way to trams, buses, and motor cars. Colonial offices evolved into modern government buildings. Historic landmarks now stand alongside contemporary developments, reflecting Singapore's remarkable journey from a small trading port to a global city. Yet, despite all these changes, Hill Street still serves the same purpose it did 2 centuries ago. It connects people with the heart of Singapore. As you walk along Hill Street today, it's easy to admire its colorful buildings and bustling traffic. But beneath the modern city lies a road that has witnessed governors, merchants, police officers, firefighters, and generations of Singaporeans passing through its streets. Every step along Hill Street is a step through Singapore's history. Thank you for joining me on another episode of Singapore Street History. If you'd like to discover another street and another chapter of Singapore's past, click here to learn the history of Stamford Road, and I'll meet you there.